Hey Gemini, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So, we're going to talk about their feelings, their intentions, and their actions this time around, all right? So, we're going to have a look at what are this person's feelings, intentions, and actions towards you from the 18th to the 30th of November 2021. It is a general reading, guys. This may or may not resonate. If you need a personal reading, you can DM me on Instagram at Tarot with Nemo, and or you can just email me at tarotwithnemo, all right, at gmail.com. Let's see. This is for Gemini. What are this person's feelings for Gemini from the 18th to the 30th of November 2021? What are this person's feelings for Gemini from the 18th to the 30th of November 2021, please? This person's feelings towards Gemini from the 18th to the 30th of November 2021. Okay. Okay. Right now, I do feel that this person here, you guys have broken up. There has been a separation here, and they're kind of still crying over spilt milk. This person's very upset. One of the biggest reasons this person could be upset is because you could be wanting commitment, or someone could be married out here, because of which there is a delay here. All right, but there could be a delay here because of commitment. Okay, this person has commitment issues, or like I said, one of you could already be involved here. There is a lot of disappointment here, emotional disappointment. Okay, but this disappointment is not like a walking away disappointment. It's more like they know you trusted in them and they broke your trust, which is why they're very upset. Okay, so they know that they let you down is what I'm getting here. This person here kind of is trying to walk away from that disappointment here. Okay, whatever emotional loss, okay, they feel with you, right? They're trying to walk away from it, but yes, they at the same time here could also be trying to work on themselves. Okay, they could be trying to work on themselves, trying to grow into a better version of themselves here. Okay, but I do feel this person's ready to work hard on this connection out here. Okay, um, even though they could want commitment with you, they know that something didn't work out here. So it's like that they're not in a good place emotionally. Okay, not in a good place here. But overall here, I feel this person here is very scared of commitment. I feel this is commitment phobic. Second, I feel you're dealing with someone here who's not in a very giving energy. This person here enjoys their freedom. Okay, they're very scared to lose their independence out here. All right, Gemini, right? So yeah, so most of the time they kind of tend to sabotage their connections. Okay, only because they're very afraid of being tied down to. Okay, so which is what they've done here. So yeah, there is a lack of commitment here yet, but they're trying to work on this connection. They're trying to work it out. They're trying to put in their work, trying to invest their time and resource into this connection. That's what they feel they should try and work it out here. Okay, because there's been a loss here. What are this person's intentions towards Gemini? What are this person's intentions towards Gemini? Wow. Fuck. That's a lot of stress here. Overall, okay, so I do feel that there's been an ending here between you both. So I do feel there's been an ending between you both here. You guys broke up, separated, whatever. There was backstabbing, someone felt backstabbed, cheated, betrayed here. But I do feel here that there is an energy where something ended badly. Okay, it kind of ended badly, and you could have mentally hit rock bottom. All right, or they could have, but right now they have hit rock bottom here. They know that things ended badly between you both here. Now this person here, in their intentions, they're trying to manifest a new opportunity with you. This time around here, they're trying to, it's like when the magician comes in. For me, this is someone here who's hell-bent on making it happen with you. Even if they have to manipulate you, they're just wanting to fucking do it. All right, but they have sleepless nights. So Gemini, for a lot of you, if you think this person is not communicating with you, or they're having fun or whatever, right, they're pretty fucked up right now. The Knight of Swords is a very, very, you just can't sleep at night. It's very painful. It's obsessively thinking. They're obsessively thinking about how to make this right. They're obsessively thinking about how to start this new beginning with you, because that's what they have in their intentions with Ace of Cups here. They're constantly thinking about how they can just break the ice with you and just ask you to give them a second chance so they can just make it right here. But they're going all cuckoo in the head. That's for sure. And their intentions are beautiful. Their intentions are beautiful. Seriously, I really like their intentions because intentions manifest, right? Feelings don't manifest, right? Intentions manifest. Their intentions, it is to have a brand new emotional beginning with you, to start a new emotional cycle with you, and to get a new opportunity with you, to have a new beginning here. But they're stressing too much, and the Nine of Swords is a very negative energy, which kind of nullifies every single manifestation that they make towards you. Okay, because they're like, how is it going to happen? Is that even going to be possible? They probably feel they've lost you forever, blah blah blah. All right, because it has ended, something's ended between you both here. Okay, not something, the connection ended between you both here, where you probably felt backstab, or they felt, or they're just hosting their pity party right now. What are this person's actions towards Gemini? What are this person's actions towards Gemini? Gemini, if you think they're chilling, they're not, huh? They're in a bad place here. They're in a very bad place. And they also know that because of commitment, it's not working out here. Overall, this person here, I don't feel this person wants to commit to anyone. Okay, so if you're thinking if there's another person here, at least for the ones that I'm reading for, this person here overall likes to be single. They like to be okay on their own, you know. So it's like, even though they love you so much, so it's like, I love you, I need you, I want you, I want to be with you, but let's not get committed. Okay, even though I'll only think about you, because the moment they get committed, right, they probably feel that they're getting tied down, they probably feel that they're getting boxed. Okay, which is something which is a big problem for this person. They enjoy their independence and freedom. That's like a freewheeling explorer that you're dealing with. What are this person's actions? What action will this person take towards Gemini, 18th to 30th of November? What action will this person take towards Gemini, 18th to the 30th of November, 2021? Okay, so this person does want a brand new beginning with you. Hear me out. They want a brand new beginning with you overall. Okay, yes, overall, this person does want a brand new passionate beginning with you, with the Ace of Cups, the Ace of Wands here. Definitely someone who is wanting to come towards you with something more passionate. They want to restart the connection here. Okay, for a lot of you, if you're dealing with a new person here, then this new person here is wanting to come towards you. They're still kind of detached. Okay, this person could have ghosted you completely. Okay, or this person here could have just been very emotionally detached. I wouldn't say emotionally detached. I just feel someone who's been deeply thinking, contemplating. So if you're dealing with someone who's completely not talking to you, then this is the person I'm talking to. I'm talking about. If you have been in a separation and this person has had no communication with you at all, that's the kind of person I'm talking about. Okay. So this person is thinking about coming towards you in their actions with an opportunity to start with you from scratch. Okay. It's not a practical start here. I'm sorry to say that. I see the Ace of Cups. I see love here. I see the Ace of Wands. I see passion here. I don't see the Ace of Pentacles here. So nothing really very concrete. Nothing practical here. Yes. So right now here, I feel that this person here is deeply thinking about what they want to do with this connection here, or they could have just completely ghosted you, like I said. Okay. So this ghosting is a good thing. Let them stay ghosted. Don't reach out to them, because I feel this time alone that they're spending with themselves, right, or whatever they're doing, right, they're deeply thinking, contemplating. They could be taking a lot of guidance from the universe. They could be reaching out to their elders. They're getting wiser, you know. They are probably even looking at tarot readings like you are. Okay, but this person out here could be feeling very lonely. All right, but I feel they're getting very mature. They're getting a lot of wisdom here. Okay, but I do feel here that this person here kind of is ready to come towards you. All right, ready to come towards you, ready to approach you. So it's like everything's planned and set about what they want to do, you know, in their actions here. They're pretty much set, but they're not making a move forward yet. They're still not doing anything about it here. Okay, because with the Four of Swords here, I feel this person here still does not want to do anything about it. Fuck knows why, but they don't. I feel here that this person knows that you want something concrete, you want commitment here, okay? And they probably are not ready to give that to you right now. They're still going to be as slow moving as they were in the past year. For a lot of you, if you're dealing with someone here who's just you feel you're going around in circles, that same shit. That's what's going to happen again, okay? So they will come towards you in their actions here. They still want this, but again, it's just going round and round, round and round. Okay, so there is nothing concrete happening till from the 18th to the 30th. Again, this is all in general here. For a few of you, may not resonate with everyone, so don't kill yourselves. All right, but yeah, I do feel here that there are chances that this person does want to talk to you. Okay, but right now they probably are on a break. Okay, they still want to think more about this. I mean, in their actions, there is still radio silence here. Why is the Four of Swords here? Why is the Four of Swords here? They're planning. Yeah, they need some more time, guys. This person needs some more time here, okay? So there's a lot of forward planning. There's a lot of wanting to make that big, bold move, that taking that risk, trying to dare and move towards you, okay? But yeah, this person needs some more time here. So November, I don't think, I'm just not gonna lie, just don't expect communication here, okay? I don't see any communication signs from this person here because this person knows how serious you are and then they're kind of seriously contemplating on what they want to do about this connection here. But honestly, Gemini, still don't expect communication here, okay? For a few of you, I mean, if you really, it's a general reading, guys, all right? But I'm just going to tell you what I see in the cards here. They're still going round and round and round and round in their head here, but they need some time to plan and think about what the future holds and still trying to want to see what they can do and have with you. Okay, so that's what I have for you. Hope this reading resonates. Leave your comments below and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.